Hey guys, this is a video walkthrough for the Schoology Scavenger Hunt. This assignment has no math in it. It's really just about navigating your Schoology math course and then teaching you where to find things, how to find things. Do you know how to take a screenshot, also called a snippet? A lot of our assignments have you taking screenshots and pasting it in your assignment slides and highlighting and things like that. Okay, so once you open this up in Schoology, we'll go through these slides. If you have a question on a specific slide, you can fast forward this video and watch for that particular assignment. Slide 2 says, take a screenshot or a snippet of your Schoology math profile picture and paste it below. If you do not know how to do this, please watch this video. I'm actually not going to go over this in this particular video because you can go watch this video on how to actually take a screenshot. That's super important. We'll be doing a lot of screenshots, snippets in class for your assignments. So please watch that video if you don't know how to take a screenshot of something. This is the math profile picture that I was referring to. So once you learn how to take a screenshot, take a screenshot of your math class's profile picture right there. Okay. Oh, also another thing to note, if you find that you cannot paste or cannot edit, cannot type in your assignments, somewhere over here it might say view only. That is a Schoology glitch. So you just need to refresh your page and you should be able to edit your assignment. Okay. All right, when you click into your math course, what tab are you automatically in? Use the highlight tool, which looks like that, to highlight the correct answer. You will need to know how to highlight for future assignments. Okay, so if you go to your Schoology math course, what tab are you automatically in? This is what your Schoology math course should look like. A tab is over here on the left. It looks like we're already under materials, not updates. Okay, so materials. The way to highlight something is this button is not going to show up until you highlight what it is that you want to highlight. So if our answer is materials, you're going to click and drag over the words that you want to highlight, and it's going to show up right here next to the A. This A is your font color, so that is the color of the words. You can see the words materials is written in red. Click on this button right next to it, the highlight color, and choose whatever color you'd like to highlight the words material. You can pick any color you like, and it'll show up on the back of the word. Okay, just don't pick red, the color of the letters, or it's going to just look like a red blob. Okay, so pick whatever color you want to highlight the word materials to show me that that is your answer. I'm going pretty quick, but the good thing about videos is you can always pause or rewind or watch again. Okay, click on the agenda banner and find your class agenda board. This is a running calendar of our warm-ups and assignments. Scroll all the way down to type what you find. Okay, so our agenda board is right here. When you enter your math class, it's this big banner right here that says welcome. Some of you guys don't realize it, but you can actually click on that and it'll open up our calendar. Another place you can find our agenda board is right here on the welcome page. So you can also click right there and it'll take you to the same calendar. The reason we use this calendar is so if you're absent or you miss class or you miss part of class, okay, you can go and see what your assignments are for the day, what we learned that day, as well as your learning intention, success criteria, and vocabulary. That is just what are we doing today? How do you know that you've learned it? Why do we have to do it in some vocabulary? And then a big one is our number sense routine pictures are linked. If I see you on a day 1, so you're in my first, second, third, or fourth blocks, you are going to look at the green columns, the green days. If I see you on a day 2, so you're in my 5th, 6th, or 7th block, you're just going to look at the white columns. So on Monday, for example, my number sense routine was this picture of the die. On Wednesday, the number sense routine for the day is this, which one doesn't belong. Okay, so anyways, our assignment tells us to scroll all the way down. So scroll all the way down, and there's a secret picture right there. Okay, so type what you found, or you can work on your screenshot skills and take a screenshot and paste it into the slide. Open and bookmark your daily number sense routine. That is our warm-up document. By clicking the star in the top right corner of the page, take a snippet and paste it below. Your warm-up document is something that you will always open in math class. It's right here. All of your assignments are listed on the right. It's also down here if you'd rather click there. So you'll hit edit and it'll be some screen that looks something like this. When you bookmark something, when you bookmark a page, it makes it so that it's easy to get to. Kind of like a bookmark in a book, right? You don't have to flip through and find what page you're on. It's right there. That's where you left off. So the reason we want to bookmark our number sense routine is instead of going to Clever and Schoology, finding your math course, finding your number sense routine document, and clicking edit, that's a lot of clicks for something that you open every day in math. So we bookmark it by clicking this star right here. You can bookmark any page. So if there's another class that, you use something every day, like our warm-up page here, you can bookmark that as well. So you can change it to math, number sense routine, or math warm-up, or whatever just math, whatever you want to name it. Okay, so you're going to name it, keep it under bookmark bar, and then click done. And what happens is this will turn blue, so you can take a screenshot of this to put in your assignment. But what that does is when you open a new tab, your bookmark is going to appear somewhere right here. So you see I have all kinds of bookmarks, but yours will say your math warm-up or whatever you named it. And when you click to it, it'll take you straight to that page. Okay? So that's your bookmark. So take a picture of that blue star or the tab when you open up a new tab. Okay, and then paste it right there. Slide 6. What is the I can statement for today found on the agenda board? So that's the calendar. This is what you'll want to be able to say by the end of class. So number sense routine, we're done with that. When you click on the agenda board, so that is, again, this big banner right here. If you still have it opened, it is this thing. Go find today. Today is Friday, for example. So the I can statement is always the first thing listed under that day. So I can, recall the first 20 perfect squares. Or I can. So your I can statement is right below whatever the date is. Okay, so just type that into your assignment. Slide 7, open the pink HVA quick links folder in Schoology. These are helpful links for you to have throughout the year. How many things are there in there? Okay, so Schoology is organized by your welcome page, some links that we always use, raffle ticket shop. You have your quick links, our math binder notes and videos, which is where this video is going to go, your number sense routine, and then by week. So right now it's the first week of school, so you only see 1 week. But next week you're going to see week 2, and it'll have all the assignments for that week in those folders. Remember, that's due on Sunday for my class. All my week assignments are due by the end of Sunday. Okay, so we're looking for the pink HVA quick links folder. I see that right here. You can either click on this and it'll take you to a new page with all the stuff inside, or you can click on this little arrow and it'll tell you what's inside. There we have our calendar, the day 1, 2 schedule, our website, grades. So what grade is an A, what grade is a B or a B minus, our bell schedule, anonymous alert, which means if there's something that you want to tell HVA, you can tell us if it's an emergency, things like that. And then our handbook. So how many things are in this folder? So go ahead and count up each one of these things and write that number in your assignment. Take a snippet of our office hours link. If you have any questions, stop by on day 2. My office hours, so office hours for math class is open to all. You don't have to request an appointment time. You just go straight into office hours during day 2, and someone will be there unless I tell you that I won't be there. Office hours links are going to be different than your class link. So don't go to your math class link. This is your math class link. If you go there during office hours, you're going to be waiting in the lobby. Nobody's going to let you in because we're going to be in our office hours. So this right here, the little chair and desk, those are our office hour links. So this is mine. This is Miss Rowland's. And it's from 1:55 to 2:35 on day 2. So at the end of the day. Okay, so take a screenshot of those little desk and chairs. Put it right there. What time are office hours and what should you do? There's the time. Office hours are a time for you to go see any one of your teachers to ask any questions. If you were absent, maybe you want to go swing by their office hours. You can go to more office hours, more than one office hours a day. So if you want to swing by math, check your grade there, swing by English, then science, social studies, whatever you want, as long as you're using that time wisely. Okay, if you don't need to ask your teacher a question, then use that time to get your work done. Because at 3:15, you want to be done with the whole day. You don't want to be opening your computer and doing work after school in the evening. So use that time wisely. Even if you don't have something to ask us, be completing your work and make sure you have your assignments turned in during that time. Okay? You also want to be working on your computer actively, because if one of us has a question for you or need you to do something or want to remind you of something, we might give you a call and try to pull you into our office hours. But if your computer is closed, we're not going to be able to reach you. Click on the envelope on the top right corner of Schoology. Click New Message and type in Shay and click on my name. Paste a screenshot of your draft message. Click Cancel. You don't have to send this message. So this is how you're going to reach me if you ever have any questions outside of class. In Schoology, right here, there's a little envelope. It's like a little piece of mail. You're going to click on this. You'll click New Message and then type in my name, HSIEH, and you'll see my little picture will pop up, and then that's where you can write something in the subject line like homework question, grade question, and then type your message to me. I'll try to get to that as soon as possible, but that will be the fastest way to reach me yourself. Your parents and your family members can also message me in Parent Square, which is their own parent app. But for you guys, click on this envelope. Look on the right-hand side of your Schoology page and notice the upcoming events. These are assignments that are due soon. This assignment is listed, and take a screenshot and paste it below. So you can always go into the week folder to see what is due that week. So remember, my assignments are always due by the end of that Sunday. Okay, so week 1, all your assignments due by this coming Sunday will be under the most recent week. Week 1's right here. You can also see your assignments listed right here under upcoming. Okay, so you can see this upcoming Sunday, you have these things due. Our number sense routine will always be the last thing because it's a monthly grade. So it's the Sunday, well, it should be, it's the last day of the month. Okay, but for your weekly assignments, your classwork assignments, it's always going to be due on Sunday, and you can see them listed here. So you can click into the assignments on the right, or you can click in through the week. So take a screenshot of this right side here, this under upcoming, and then paste it in your assignment. Okay, the most important thing is in Schoology, even if you complete this, you need to click submit. So when you go back to your assignment page, okay, once you open it up, there's a button that says edit that'll make it pop into its own tab. There's also a button right next to it that says submit. So you need to submit your assignment for me to give you a grade. Even if you finish, if you don't click submit, I won't be able to grade it. So last year we had a problem of students working on their work, completing it, but them not hitting submit. So in Schoology, where most of our assignments are going to be, make sure you click submit. Okay, guys, I hope that was helpful. Again, watch this snippet video if you need help in learning how to take a snippet or a screenshot of something. All right, bye, guys.